are 3 countries that you should never ever get into a fight with. Number one, Somalian people. Never ever get into a fight with a Somalian person. You're destined to die. Because if you fight with one of them, just know that the whole family is coming for you. Abdul and what other names? I'm not even trying to, you know what? I'm never going to say anything before they come for me as well. Number 2, Russian people or Polish people. Them men are insane. They are insane. They're just strong. They're scary. If they get you, they will crumple you. They will eat you. Like, their country properly teach them how to actually train, how to kill. Bro, be careful, because if you fight one of them, just know that Vladimir will kill you. Nigerians, I'm so sorry, you do not want to meet a Nigerian man who is skitzing, because they get mad. A normal woman will kill you. Imagine a Nigerian man with some tattoos, bald head. He's going through life. He fought to get here, so don't fuck with him. Trust me.